Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make albums in your Photos app on iOS using an iPad, an iPhone, or an iPod. The first thing you're going to want to do is open up your photos. And here are my photos. And you're going to want to click on the bottom to Albums. I have some created, but you probably won't have any, so you're going to want to click on the plus sign to create an album. Now, if you create a shared album, that gives you the option to email it to someone else to share it. If you create a new album, it'll just be on all your iOS devices. Both of them will be on your iOS devices, your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod. Clicking the new shared album gives you the option of sending it email. I'm just going to click a new album, and I'm going to call it Equipment. Save it. It'll bring you to your photos, and I'm going to want to select. And you can go through and select any images that you'd like. You have to have at least 2. And when you're done, just click Done. And then you'll come back to your Albums page, and you'll see here are my equipment stills, and everything I put in that album is there. Now, if you want to delete an album, press the Edit, and then click on the minus and delete. And click Done. Now remember to go back to your photos, or the next time you open your photos, you're going to be in Albums. So you want to go back to your photos, and then that way you're back in your photos. By going down to the toolbar, you can select Photos, For You, Albums, or Search. And whichever you selected, the photos or albums, that's what's going to be on your photo screen when you bring up your photos the next time. So make sure if you're not seeing what you think you're seeing, check that bottom toolbar. Make sure either photos or albums are selected. You can also do a search by the name of the file or the date that the picture was taken. So there you go. Hope that helps, and go out and make some albums.